James Cameron's Avatar creates a sensorial and spiritual viewing experience through its use of computer-generated imagery. This video essay explores how such a phenomenological perception of nature's spirituality can be constructed through CGI, and most importantly, what it does with us as viewers. Director James Cameron said that Avatar asks us to see that everything is connected, all human beings to each other and us to the earth. This is an example of nature's spirituality and dark green religion that considers nature as holy and divine. On Avatar's fictional planet Pandora, the native tribe, also called the Na'vi, sees everything connected through a flow of energy. Brought about by their deity Ewa, the tree of life, Mother Nature. She is the all-knowing that maintains balance. They worship her phenomenologically, experiencing holistic interconnectedness, not merely spiritual, but also physical.
I'm with her, Drake. She's real.
Translating nature's spirituality into a phenomenological CGI experience can allow us to literally feel it for ourselves. Once we are invited inside Avatar's groundbreaking animated world, our sensorial perception is linked to that of protagonist Jake. As audience, we go through a similar journey, moving our consciousness into CGI, where Jake moves his consciousness into the Avatar. All our senses are engaged as Jake physically explores the new environment he entered. The CGI, 3D, and digital special effects create such a detailed, almost real-life image. Multiple scholars argue it can have a positive influence on how we view our own world. This is an example of actor network theory that sees all of life taking place in socio-technical networks. Avatar's biotechnology within the film, as well as the technology used to produce the film, illustrates that technology has agency and functions as a mediator. Genetically engineered avatar bodies allow the humans in the movie to truly experience Pandora's nature. And the CGI technology translates this mystical and spiritual layer of nature to the audience. Avatar's philosophy and CGI technology combined creates a powerful call for awareness. The film incorporates real-world ecological concerns and environmental disaster within the space of a fictional narrative. This fictional realism is amplified by the CGI because it presents nature's beauty in a way like we would never see it with our everyday eyes. And the CGI also allows the film to visualize things we might find difficult to be confronted with in real life. When Jake fully transfers to his avatar body, he first needs to pass by the eye of Ewa, divine nature herself. Recognizing nature and that he is inherently part of her allows him to return and open his eyes. This video essay reveals a new paradox within the phenomenological viewing experience of Avatar, where technology functions as a tool to connect with divine nature. This lies in strong contrast with the harsh way in which the movie depicts technology. But simultaneously reveals a new level of analysis and a deeper degree of reflection. Even though Avatar's nature spirituality is a westernized accumulation of ancient indigenous philosophies that has been molded into a Hollywood blockbuster and sponsored by McDonald's, we can still conclude that the CGI technology used could be a tool for the audience to feel more connected with nature and see her mostly invisible, mesmerizing spiritual quintessence. And perhaps this even stimulates us as viewers to open our eyes and be more mindful of our own planet's natural environment.
I see you. I see you.